Hi, this is Jim A., the Program Director for Fresno Pacific University's Masters of Arts in Kinesiology program. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moodle to get to our library resources. So after you logged into one of your Moodle classes, every Moodle class will have this menu up here where it says Resources. So click that button and you'll see there's a resource tab that says Library. So you'll click that. That'll take you to our Hebert library on our FPU website. And you can use, I would say that the article search is a good starting point. And so let's say you're interested in strength training. So you type in strength training and you just click the Find It button. If you have to, what initially will come up is all the different articles with just the word strength training. And you'll see on this menu on the left-hand side, there are different databases that you can choose from. This one's EBSCO, Humanities and Religion. Then we have EBSCO Science, Health and Psychology, EBSCO Social Sciences and Business, EBSCO Education and JSTOR. I would say for most of our research, we'd want to be in the sciences, health, and psychology. And so then what will happen is all these different articles, effects of training attendance, all these different articles. And right here it says PDF. So that means you can download that particular article. If you click one of these links, it will ask you for your library account, your last name, and then your 7 digits in your university ID. You should be able to get your ID in Campus Cruiser. You should have been sent an ID. But if you don't know, you can always click this and they'll help you with that. So after you get that, you hit Submit. And then they'll give you an abstract. Talked about in another lecture. You should always read an abstract to see if it has any linkage to what you're studying or what you're interested in. And then, go over here so you can see this. Then you can save it, so you can download it to your hard drive or Dropbox or whatever that you're interested in. You can add it to a folder. You can print it. You can email it to yourself. Whatever you want to do. Okay. Click out of that. And so that's one way that you can search journal articles or material on a FPU library website. So I'm going to go back to Moodle. Sorry, hit the wrong button. So we're back in Moodle. Click that library link one more time to show you another database that I think is beneficial. Right over here on the left side, it says electronic databases. And so then we have these different specific electronic databases. And again, I use EBSCOhost research databases. I'll click that. Then I'll use, again, it's the same thing. Then you can click these different databases. I talked about this in conducting a literature review, which ones I think are helpful for our grad program. So that's the ones I'm clicking as I go through this. You're not limited. You can click them all if you want, but I'm just clicking those. Then you click Continue. And here, we'll do the strength training. And it gives you some suggested terms. And if you put and, let's say college athletes. So what it'll do is it'll search both these terms. You can select fields like all text, author, and those type of things. I just leave that blank. What I do here is I click the full text and scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles. That's pretty much all I do with it. And then I hit search. And voila, we have articles come up. It tells us that we have 14 articles based on those terms. And it tells me it's full text. If I click that, I can download it, or I can click on the article itself. And I guess the way I have it set up is just download the article. So there's the article. You can read that abstract there, or you can save it, print it to use later. Okay. If you want to change your search, you can change it. It's a let's go to high school athlete and see what happens. Nice search. All right, so now we only have 8 articles. So that's just giving a gist on how that works. I want to show you, I'm going to go back to our website, Moodle, click in the library again. There are some helps here on the library. I'm trying to remember some library guides. How to search for online articles, reference management software, all these different types of things may be beneficial for you to go through if you need some help. Then right here it says request an item through the interlibrary loan. Click that. And as I talked about in one of the presentations, you put your name, your ID, your email address, how you want it delivered. You need an author, the title of the article, the publisher, the publication date, and all these different things. Any additional information, hit submit, and you'll probably get an immediate email telling you we've got it, and we'll get it to you whenever. So try to use the resources available to you, and I hope that this presentation has been helpful for you to understand how to use the 2 different types of electronic databases that we have at the university. They're both very helpful. And if you have questions about stuff, make sure you contact a library for those type of things. And if you got any questions, I'm also here to help you. If you're not sure, like I talked about in one of the other lectures, if a resource is, should I be using this resource or not? If you're not sure, just email me and I'm happy to help you, or give me a call, post it in the Q&A forum. That's what I'm here to do.